guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Showed up my first job today, one of two, and yeah, so it's 3 rooms in this, 2 guest bedrooms, 1 master. Had an area in one of the rooms where the dog used to lay around a lot, and so it's really worn. The customer used to do her carpets the first time she ever had it professionally cleaned. So I told her she kind of loved that, because she usually does it herself, and you can tell, you know, residue is left and stuff. So when you do it yourself, I mean, yeah, saving money is good, but in the long run, it's better to pay somebody using the right solutions and everything like that. So I already vacuumed. I'm gonna go in here and put down my pre-spray, put down my corner guards. Alright guys, wrapped it up. So carpets came out looking great. Yeah, I did tell her before I started the job that the worn fibers may be an issue, and it was in a few of those areas, but overall it came out great. She was really happy. I'm gonna come back and check about removing some wax off her floors, because I could tell as soon as I walked in it was looking really bad. So yeah, she can give me a call on that. We're gonna maybe remove some wax for her. So all right, have a good one. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know the routine. We'll see you in the next one.